Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel Trading Secrets. This channel is for entertainment purposes only. For those of you who do not know, my name is Ali. I have over 20 years experience teaching accounting, economics, business and law. Through this channel I'll be providing some stock analysis and a quick update on the $1 Million Challenge. If anybody's not aware of this is a journey with an investment of $1,000 to a return of $1 million over a period of 3 years using a strategy called compound return investing. So the objective is try to get 201 trades, each with an average return of 3.5%. It's not 201 consecutive trades, we do take into account losses. So for further details about how to join us for less than $9 a month, information is available in the description below. In today's video, we're going to be looking at MMTLP and updates with regard to the Congress meeting with the SEC. We're also going to be looking at a new bio stock and also what happened with AMC today. So before we get started, let's have a look at what's happening in the market. So first headline here from Bloomberg: stocks remain lower, yields rise after beige book. And we can see here the Fed's Collins says patience is needed and more tightening is possible. So that has created fear in the markets. So we can see the headline from CNBC states that the Dow Jones has shed more than 200 points again as fears of further Fed rate hikes roiled stocks. So if we have a look at the impact on the market, we can see significant amounts of red, including the technology, semiconductor, communication, consumer cyclical sectors, and also the healthcare sector, and only really the energy sector faring a little bit better. Let's start by having a look at some updates with regard to the SEC briefing with Congress that was scheduled on the 5th of September 2023 at 4 p.m. Eastern Time. And shout out here to Anna, who stated, "I'm optimistic that we will get an update in the morning and also hope that Gary Gensler acknowledges the share imbalance and the need to give 65,000 people a resolution. Have a heart. It's been almost a year of suffering and cover up." So again, in terms of the question, is it really 65,000 people? If we take into account fake and synthetic shares, then obviously we are looking at potentially much more. And what Crucial Mix has stated here, the meeting was via Zoom. So the staffers in Congress took place with this meeting. So the results are still to be determined. However, what we would like going forward, and also what Crucial Mix would like, is a meeting to put John Berder and Bleed Blue at a table one side of the room with Gary Gensler and Robert Cook on the other, sell tickets, televise the lies, and then obviously take the MMTLP shareholder survey. So in terms of other updates from the meeting, we are still waiting for an official announcement. It has been more than 24 hours, I believe. So we will share details as soon as we get that. But another update from Hollywood Henry here. He stated, "If you can, consider donating to our cost-effective campaign with a high impact, hashtag MMTLP fiasco." The Congressional Research Service recently published its MMTLP report to inform members of Congress, but it was biased and slanted. So we do know that that's something that we covered. So Henry is now sending our report, which is fair, balanced, and I think I would also add true. I'm now going to share with you news of a biostock that has just agreed a research collaboration with Johns Hopkins University. So this was also shared in our Discord live. So we can see a headline from the company here. ClearMind announces clinical research collaboration with Johns Hopkins University to evaluate CMND 100 in patients with alcohol use disorder, dated September the 6th, 2023. So we'll start by having a look at the company profile. So ClearMind Medicine Incorporated is a pharmaceutical biotech company focusing on discovery and development of psychedelic-derived therapeutic drugs to solve widespread and underserved health problems, including alcohol use disorder. Its primary objective is to research and develop obviously the compounds and attempts to commercialize them as regulated medicines, foods or supplements. So what we have had in terms of breaking news today is a focus on delivery and development of this treatment to solve major untreated health problems, and they have announced that the company has entered into a clinical trial agreement with the university to conduct its phase 1 and 2A clinical trials of CMND 100. So this is good news. The potential of the drug is to treat various obviously neuropsychiatric indications is currently being explored in several human clinical trials. So we do look for further updates of success, hopefully, from these trials. Let's now have a look at AMC. So the first headline here from the Bankner's website, AMC stock, the SEC has now violated the threshold rule. So again, similar to MMTLP, what we're stating here, the SEC allegedly has violated the 13-day threshold securities list rule for AMC, which states that a broker-dealer must immediately close out all fail to deliver positions by purchasing shares in an open market. Again, so the allegation here is that has not taken place, so it certainly seems like the broker dealers are on the line there. And the follow-up headline here is AMC shareholders report missing new settlement shares. So again, lots of allegedly underhand dealings going on there. So we have a look at the share price for today. We can see here 6th of September, again a huge spike down, huge red candle, and at time of editing it was down close to 36.8%. So from trading just in excess of $13.50 and then closing out at around about $8.62. But if we have a look at a post here from Jay House, what he stated here at time of the tweet, down 32% on the day, double the average volume, no halts. This feels biblical. So let's have a look at the volume. So we can see here volume today 54 million and the average volume 27 million. So again, we're looking at double the normal volume. Finally, I'm going to finish off by having a quick review of last week's weekly watch list, where we called out a number of stocks that we shared exclusively with our Discord members. So these included BNOX, that was up 5% on the week, and there was also a chance to get 34% return on Monday. AFRM, that was up 20.7% on the week, so congratulations to everybody who got in on AFRM. We also called out IHT, that was up 24% on the week from the Monday dip. HIBB up 4%, MDB up 6.8%, SING, again another interesting stock that we were following, up 9.1% on the week. AKRO up 1.5% on the week. BB up 6.7% on the week. Cano, that was up 13.8% on the week, and also up 17.6% on the Friday. So again, a good call there. BMY closed level. YS was up 21% Monday to Friday. Then there was a significant sell-off, closing down 2.6% on the week. So not all calls are successful. So if you'd like to get the next weekly watch list, details are in the description below. Thank you very much for watching. Please stay tuned.